Financial success is a powerful motivator. It controls the lives of many. It chooses occupations. It dictates how time, energy, and resources are spent. It influences relationships, schedules, and families. To some, it even becomes an all-consuming passion that leaves broken people and morality in its wake. Unfortunately, it is not the greatest call we have on our lives. In fact, compared to significance, financial success fades quickly. Consider the limitations of success. Financial success ebbs and flows with the economy. As recent years have proven, financial success is always at the mercy of a national and increasingly a world economy. When the economy takes a downturn, as it always does, so does net worth. Financial success ends on the day you die. On the day you die, all wealth and all possessions will be immediately transferred to someone else. And even if you get to pick where they go, the reality is that person is always someone other than you. Financial success, it seems, is never enough. Financial success will never satisfy the inmost desires of our soul. No matter the amount of financial success earned, it always leaves us wanting more. On the other hand, compare the advantages of significance. Significance always lasts. Significance will always outlast you. Even when you are no longer present, your significance will still be yours, and nothing can ever take that away from you. Significance carries on. Significance keeps on giving. When you positively change the life of another human being, and that person changes the life of another, who impacts the life of another, who influences another, significance satisfies our soul, while the thirst for success is never quenched. Significance satisfies the deepest desires of our heart and soul. It allows us to lay our head on our pillow each night, confident that we lived a valuable and fulfilling day. Unfortunately, many people spend most of their lives chasing financial success. And while some achieve it more than others, almost all find it unfulfilling in the end. When they begin to shift their life finally to focus on significance instead of success, they wonder why they wasted most of their life chasing something different. Don't waste any of your life. Seek significance today. Let me end with a few practical steps to get you started. Number one, realize that life won't last forever. Everybody knows that life will come to an end, but no one likes to think about it. But that's unfortunate, because as soon as you start thinking about the end of your life, you begin to live differently in the present. You are never too young to start thinking about your legacy. How do you want people to remember you? And what do you really want to accomplish before you die? Make a list, post it somewhere, because rarely will drive a really nice car ever appear on that list. Number two, live a life worth copying. Live with character, integrity, and morality. Your life should look the same in private as it does in public. And while no one is perfect, just begin striving for a life of integrity, and it will be noticed by others. Number three, focus more on people and less on dollars. Begin to transfer your life's focus from your banking account to the people around you. Rather than worrying about the next get-rich-quick scheme, spend that energy focusing on your child, your neighbor, or the disadvantaged in your community. Number four, start with one individual. Find one person who needs you today and start there. Significance may be as inexpensive as one cup of coffee or as simple as just one heartfelt conversation. If you're unsure where to start, try asking someone this. No, how are you really doing? Number 5, find work outside of your job. Sometimes our day job leads to significance, but if yours does not, find a career of significance outside of your job by volunteering in a local organization. Most likely your gifts, your talents, your expertise are desperately needed. You can use your job to pay the bills, but your new career to pay your soul. Number 6, realize significance is not dependent upon success. Too many people fall into this trap of thinking, once I make it rich, I'll become significant. But that is rarely the case. Choose significance today. Begin striving for it now. If then financial success does come your way in the future, your mind will be in a better place to truly use it for success in broader significance. Number 7, reduce your expenses. Learn to live with less. Living with less frees up your life to invest in others. And living with reduced expenses allows you the freedom to not spend so much time at the office and more of your resources on others. And then number 8, I'll mention lastly, read biographies of people who have sought significance rather than success. If you prefer recent history, you could read about Mother Teresa or Nelson Mandela. If you prefer older stories, give Gandhi or Harriet Tubman a shot. Either way, their lives will inspire you to make more of yours. Rarely do people look back on their lives and savor their professional financial achievements. Instead, they celebrate the impact they have had in the lives of others. So give yourself much to look back on and celebrate. Stop chasing financial success and start seeking significance instead.